Oh yes now, boys and girls, I'm back at it again. So I know a lot of T5s have these problems with the air pipes from the intercooler. So mine, the just two that come off the intercooler, they don't come off right off, they just keep popping at one side, so it's doing my nutting. So today, hopefully, I'm going to fix that. So, told you I'd have a haircut and beard done, didn't I? So, I'm going to try and fix that, but I'm going to do it properly and take the intercooler off, which is going to be a fucking nightmare, but you got to do what you got to do, haven't you? So, big up. So I don't know if you can see it there, just pipe slightly hanging out. It does that on both sides and it's absolutely doing my head in, so I'm going to fix that. I'm going to make sure I don't go do it again, because it's doing my head in. I'll show you what I'm going to do with the pipes. I finally got the bumper off. You could probably do this a different way without taking bumper off, but I wanted to make sure it was done properly. So what I'm going to do is, so them ends, I'm going to put pipe in. I'm going to put pipe in there where it's supposed to go. And then I've got some big heat shrink. So I'm going to put 2 lots of heat shrink over each one. And maybe some Jubilee clips or something like that. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully that sorts it out. Big up. Jungle is massive. I think it's a pretty good idea. We'll see how it works. Oh yes, now that worked a treat. I'm clever boy, me. Turn you around and show you what I've done. So basically, I've shoved pipe in with clip, and then I've put some big heat shrink over it and shrunk it. I don't think that's ever coming back out of there again. Then if you want it out for any reason, you need to change your intercooler or whatever, you can just cut that and cut it off. I think what I might do is put another piece over top of it all and do the same again, just to make it stronger. But yeah, well happy with that. I think that'll hold them. Yes, now. So I think that'll hold them, me. Hopefully with a bit of luck, we won't have them popping out slightly again. What? Where you going? What? Not good with this camera like me. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. See how it goes, guys. Big up. Like I said, I have had to mess about and take bumper off to do it. So I'm going to heat shrink these, probably put it back all together tomorrow. I'll let you know how we get on. Big up. Yes, so I think that looks pretty good, to be fair. I've done both sides. I'll switch around and show you. So I put a shorter one on to begin with, heat shrunk that, and then put a longer one on and shrink that. Did both. I've put a Jubilee clip on that, but I don't think it needs it. But I've done the same with that. A longer one, in fact I've probably put a couple of more pieces on that one. One over and then a longer one, and then I put a little piece at the top there to hold where I'd cut the other piece. But yeah, I don't think they'll come off in a hurry again. Hopefully not anyway, because they're doing my heading coming off all the time. So yeah, there you go, boys and girls. I'll get back to you tomorrow when I've put it back on. See what you think. Big up, Jungle is massive. So because them pipes are permanently fixed on the intercooler now, you've got to thread them through to engine bay, if you get what I mean. And then once you've done that, you just got to fasten your intercooler back on. Oh yes, now van's all back together. So I've been for a spin, took it round block, give it some, and then pipes have stayed on. So hopefully that's fixed it. No more popping off a little bit. That's doing me head in. So yes, now I've been driving van all week now, and they haven't moved at all. I don't know if I'll be able to show you. I'll turn you around and see if I can show you. I don't know if you can see heat shrink on there. Yep, they haven't moved at all week, both sides. So I'm happy. Like I said, I only had a problem with the two that come out of the intercooler. The rest of them have been fine. So just the ones that go into the intercooler just kept popping off slightly. So that's what I've done. It seems to have fixed it so far. So big up, Jungle is massive.